So the way that I made my first $100,000 is Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Kristole Perkins. You may have heard of my business, Perkins Marketing, where I have my first $6,500 week with dropshipping on Shopify. So you guys always kind of see that intro of where I have my first $6,500 week on Shopify, and you're probably like, what's Shopify? What's Facebook ads? What's dropshipping? What's that mean? Dropshipping just means that I made a website of products I didn't have and I sold them before I actually bought them. So I posted a whole website of all these different products, and then I used Facebook ads in order to promote them. So I paid for the Facebook ads, and I was paying $25 for a Facebook ad that was making me $1,500 per ad. Now in the beginning, I didn't know how to optimize. I really only knew how to take my $1,500 day to like a $3,000 day. I wasn't really aware of how to get up to like that $12,000 day. I posted a product on Shopify. So when I posted this product, nobody bought it. Yeah, you guys have heard this before. You watched that video. So that video is a little old. So my video of how I made my first $6,500 weeks is going on a year old now. It's actually over a year old. So I wanted to make an updated video for all the new people who aren't gonna go back and watch my old video and see what it is that I actually did in order to get where I am right now. So the thing that I did was I went on to AliExpress and I found products in my niche. I was in the beauty niche, so I looked up products in the beauty niche, and then once I looked up those products, I refined the products by the order number. The products with the highest orders, I posted them on my Shopify store. I then made a Facebook fan page for my Shopify store, and then I started to promote my posts. I did not boost my posts. Don't confuse what I'm saying. I actually went into my ads manager. I created my audiences. I actually tested 30 different ad sets. 2 ad sets a day is what I did. So 1 interest per ad set, 2 ad sets a day. And then on the 3rd day, if my ad actually made money, I was increasing the budget. If it didn't, I was killing the ad. I did that for a little while I was working at Ulta, and then something happened where I made my first $1,000 day. Then it went on to being a $7,000 week, which led to me quitting my job and me and my husband starting Perkins Marketing full-time and teaching other people to do exactly what we do. So back then it was a lot easier to get your ads to work. Nowadays it's a lot harder because there's a lot more competition. That was 2 years ago. It's just a lot harder because there's so many people who are doing this now. You don't realize it, but there's a lot of people who are drop shipping on your timeline. There's a lot of Facebook gurus, a lot of marketing gurus, and a lot of people doing exactly what I'm doing. So when I went ahead and posted that product on Facebook and I got the product selling on Facebook, it dawned on me, people will probably buy this on Amazon too. People will probably buy this on eBay. So I posted the same exact products on eBay and Amazon. So that led to me having 3 consistent incomes from drop shipping, which I still have till this day. I use the same exact methods. I have videos on my channel telling you what methods I use in order to research products, telling you the spyware that I use, telling you that I will do your ad sets for you. I will do your research for you. So I sell 5 Facebook audiences for $150. So if that's something that you want, that's also in the description below, or you can comment and I'll message you, or you can email me and we can go ahead and get you started. But basically in the beginning, I didn't have any help. I didn't have someone tell me this is how you do this, or this is how you do this. Don't do this, don't do that. Like there was a point in time where I actually deleted all of my ads on accident. I was trying to just turn 1 ad off and I deleted all of my ads, and I literally stopped making money. I had no idea what I was doing. I had no idea how to fix it, and I just had to figure it all out on my own because nobody was gonna fix it for me. My money didn't pay their bills. My money wasn't feeding them. Why should they care about if I'm making money or not? That's cruel, but that's just what it is. That's just the beauty of the situation. Back then, I made a lot of mistakes, and all those mistakes have turned into what you see now, Perkins Marketing, and that's what I have in all of my courses, the things that you're not supposed to do on top of the things you are supposed to do. So the way that I made my first $100,000 is drop shipping on Shopify, drop shipping on eBay, drop shipping on Amazon. And that's how I made my first $100,000, which led to me making my second $100,000 from just course sales. So I've made over 6 figures drop shipping as well as 6 figures from Perkins Marketing. So I've made well over $200,000 working for myself, just starting my own business, and I've only been in business for 2 years. So guys, I just want to make this quick video for you guys and let you know exactly what I do. I also made another video of exactly what I do and all the things that I do on a daily basis, like web design, logo design, drop shipping courses, having my own drop shipping store, trying to be a wife, trying to juggle all that. go to my different clients' locations, go to my personal trainer, just everything like that. So I also made a video on that. It should have went up before this video. If it didn't, it'll be up after this video. So I just want to go over how I made my first $100,000. Make sure you're testing those ads. So after I actually made my first little bit of money from that cosmetic store, I made another cosmetic store, and not only was I using Facebook ads, I moved on to using Instagram influencers. So Instagram influencers can make you a lot more money than Facebook ads can. So I moved on to an Instagram influencer, and I actually had her promoting lashes for me, and I paid her $60 to go ahead and promote lashes for me that I was selling for $30, and she promoted those lashes for me, and I made $3,000 that day. She had followed 300,000 followers, and she charged me $60 for 3 posts. So when I paid her that $60 for those posts, she posted a video, and she also posted on her Insta story. Well, actually back then Insta story was not around. She posted a video on her Instagram page, and then after she posted that video of somebody using or putting the lashes on her Instagram page, I then got over 100 orders for a $30 lash, and people were buying multiple lashes. So I actually got over $3,000 from using that. So you can actually drive traffic to your Shopify, your eBay, and your Amazon using Facebook ads and Instagram influencers, but you don't have to do that when it comes to eBay and Amazon. It will just sell for you. eBay and Amazon will promote your products for you as long as you're piggybacking off of other products. So when I first started drop shipping, I was using Facebook ads as well as Instagram influencers, and that's why I had such success, because as soon as I made money from my sales, I used that money to then invest right back into my business, and that is why I had so much success in the beginning, and that is why I made so much money. Alright guys, that brings this video to an end. Thank you guys so much for watching this video where I touched on a little bit how I made my first $100,000 from drop shipping, how I made my second $100,000 from Perkins marketing, and how I became who I am today and the person you have grown to love, admire, and respect. Alright guys, so make sure you like this video. If any of these tips helped you and you want any more information on anything that I mentioned in this video, comment below. If you want to see some more videos like this, make sure you comment below, thumbs up this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on those notifications because you do not want to miss the next video that I have for you guys. And I'm going to be doing an office tour really soon. I know you guys noticed that I'm changing up my decor a little bit. I still have to hang some curtains in here and 2 more pictures on the wall, and then I will be ready to do an office tour for you guys. I'm not going to do a house tour because that's not really what my channel is about. It's more business related, and I really want to show you guys like my office and like my dry erase board and all my little trinkets in my office and everything like that. I worked really hard on my office decor, so I do have an office tour coming for you guys soon. Stay tuned and subscribe so that you don't miss out, and turn on those notifications so that you're notified the second that I post it. Alright guys, I will see you in the next one, and thank you so much for tuning in. Bye.